Hi guys, Susie here. Oh my gosh, I'm in San Diego and it's super pouring raining out. It's kind of been an ongoing joke because wherever I've been longer than a day, it's pretty much rained for a good 3 days or more. So it's great for California because they need the rain. And coming from Oregon, I'm used to it, but I definitely am looking forward to when the sunshine comes out in San Diego again because the beaches here are gorgeous. And while I'm here, I've been just really taking advantage of being able to work and travel and explore San Diego. And I absolutely love San Diego. It's a really fun place and be a fun place to live for sure. It's been fun living here. I think I've been here for about a week and a half now. Anyways, I am, it's raining out and I want to be really productive today, and there's something that's been on my mind that I've been meaning to do, and so I thought I would just take a moment and kind of show you where I'm at, because I'm actually preparing for my next endeavor in this amazing road trip that I've gifted myself with in my life. And it's actually becoming a lifestyle simultaneously. My business is evolving. I'm evolving. The whole process just keeps changing, and I'm being very open and flexible. So anyways, because it's raining, I am doing a project reorganizing my belongings. Because it's been about almost 2 months now that I moved from Portland and downsized my entire life belongings into what would fit into my car. So it's been a process, kind of a layering process, because as I'm adjusting to my new lifestyle and kind of traveling, definitely there's nothing that's been more faster in helping me figure out new aspects of who I am in just a short period. So in just 2 months, I feel like I've just grown more understanding of the person that I am. And so that really impacts what my vision is for moving forward in my future, of what continues to bring me joy and happiness and connection and getting all my needs met while being of service. Bringing light and love to this world and light and love to homes, a lot of healing in homes through organization and re-energizing of spaces. So, anyways, okay, so pretty much I'm getting prepared to go car camping. I'm going to go to Joshua Tree National Park, and I'm going to be headed out next week. And so while I've been staying with some friends, it's been nice to kind of be a bit more casual, comfortable, but still feel a little good and dressy, just in my everyday. So, you know, I'm wearing earrings and jewelry and doing my makeup and stuff. But when I'm car camping, staying out in nature, I really don't care about putting my makeup on. And I'm going to be having more of my active wear wardrobe. So because of this, I need to do a wardrobe change. I need to go through the jewelry that I won't be needing for the next, I don't know, I'm going to be there for maybe about 2 nights, 3 nights. So I'm just preparing for this. So I just want to show you kind of what I have going on right now. Hopefully you can see this. I'm right in the process of switching out my bath bag that has like all my bath supplies. I was using this bag, and I'm going to actually switch it because this one is waterproof, and I want to use it for maybe a lunch bag or something. So I'm going to repurpose that. And then I have just this one bag that's kind of my bath toiletries, jewelry. I've got some essential oils. I have a few movies left on DVD that I've saved, and then I have just like basic hardware like scissors and a hammer and some jewelry making kits. So not a whole lot going on in there. I have my bathroom stocked. So I love beautiful smelling wipes. These ones are strawberry pear. I love going to like Marshall's or TJ Maxx and getting them because they're way cheaper than other places. And so I stock up on really good shampoo because even though I'm very transient right now, there's things that give me a lot of comfort, and that is smell good things and feel good things. So in the bath, I love, you know, actually not always going cheap and totally frugal with everything. That's not what this trip is about. I mean, it's about one of the things is just being able to continue to stay in my peace. And it can be really difficult because life can get very stressful, especially when we get in our heads and stuff. So I've had to pinch myself several times and be like, oh my God, I'm in San Diego. Life is good. Remember that, you know, as I'm working through some of the challenges that are coming up in my everyday life. A lot of fear. Every time I get ready for the next part of my road trip, there's always a great sense of fear that comes up for me. I get really scared. And my immediate need is reassurance. So I'm really good at getting that need met now and working through the fear, because as I'm learning, growing more into, I'm living my dreams out loud. I'm living my dream life. And the more I continue to live this way, I continue to be a warrior of finding my confidence and courage when fear shows up. So, yeah, all right. Well, that's just kind of a little taste of how I'm living out of my car. I absolutely love my car. I want to give a shout out to my Fiat 500X. My old Honda Civic broke down about 2 weeks before my trip, and so I got a new car, and it was the greatest blessing ever. It has everything that I needed that I didn't even realize that I needed, and it's all-terrain, so it's got me basically from Oregon to California to Texas, back to California. I've done 6,000 miles on it in about 2 months. And we've been through the storm together, the desert together. So my car, Angel is her name. She is just a superstar and has really put me at ease when it comes to having a reliable vehicle when I'm on this road trip. So with that, I hope that this inspires you in some way to organize a project, whether it's in your office or at home, whether it's a big project or a small project, but especially on days where it may be raining or not as inspired to get out, it's a great time to organize. So sending you lots of good vibes of creativity, ultra productivity, and simplicity. Until next time, I will see you again soon.